In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Roblox ID on mobile. So your ID number is a unique set of numbers that identifies your Roblox account. Now to find this, we first need to close out of the Roblox app and you need to go and open up an internet browser. I'll just be using Safari. Now click on the address bar at the bottom of this page, type in roblox.com and press enter. You can then scroll down to where it says continue in browser and click on this. Now just go and sign in with your Roblox details. Now once you're signed in to your Roblox account on an internet browser, you just need to click on your profile icon in the top navigation and that will take you over to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, click back on the address bar and then if you scroll to the very end of the address, you'll see here this set of numbers. Now these numbers are your Roblox ID number, so you can go ahead and select them and then you can press copy. So now if I go and open up my notes and I go and paste that number, you can see we now have our Roblox ID number.